Assalamu alaikum students. As we have completed our lesson Handlooms and Handicrafts, today we are going to discuss some question and answers. Okay. Let's see the keywords of the lesson Handicrafts and Handlooms. Raw materials, the basic materials needed for making the products. Jacquard cards, weavers used plotting the designs on graph paper previously, but now they are designing different designs on cards very easily with the help of computer. These cards are known as Jacquard cards. Sapuri, the raw silk is made convenient for warp and weft. This process is called sapuri. Kachapattu, silk yarn is obtained from cocoon in reeling centers. This silk yarn is locally called kachapattu. Patent, an official right to make or sell a new invention or product that no one else is allowed to copy. Warp and weft, warp is the yarn that goes from top to bottom, and weft are the yarns that go from left to right. It looks like this symbol. Tie and dye, to make a pattern on a piece of material by tying string around and coloring it with dye. Cooperative societies. Cooperative societies are based on the principle of each for all and all for each. These are voluntary organizations. Let's see few questions from your textbook. Why did Polaya's family, a basket weaver from Kondukuru, come to Kondukuru? Why does Polaya have no right to vote in Kondukuru? Basket making is a craft work that involves the use of wild date palm leaves, cane and bamboo, which are found in forest. There has been depletion of forest due to extensive exploitation for big industries. This affects the livelihoods of the people who are traditionally dependent on forest. This forces Polaya to move from Shankavaram village to Kondukuru in search of jobs. The municipal corporation officials sometimes evict Polaya and other basket maker families from pavement, but they come back after a few days and resume their pavement life. Despite trying hard, people like Polaya have been denied voting rights in Kondukuru, as they don't have any identity or residence to get registered in the list of obtained voter card. Why do you think patenting Dharmavaram silk sarees weaving would help weavers in and around Dharmavaram? Dharmavaram sarees have a unique design and color quite distinct from other silk sarees. That is, it has recently received patent rights. This means no other handloom saree producers in the world can sell sarees in the name of Dharmavaram silk sarees. Only those produced in Dharmavaram and its surrounding villages can be sold with this brand name. This helps the weavers to overcome the competition from powerloom and mill-made clothes. It helps to get more work and also more profits to the weavers. Why Venkatesu's family has begun to weave for a master weaver? A large section of weavers' families do not get sufficient work from cooperative societies. The master weavers produce all the raw materials and supply to weavers and collect the woven cloth. They pay a stipulated amount as wages for the weaving work. Many master weavers provide loans to weavers to set up loom, buy other tools. The cooperative societies fail to provide all these things, so Venkatesu's family has begun to weave for a master weaver. How do cooperative societies fail to help the weavers? In some cooperative societies, weavers are not given any role in decision making regarding procurement of raw materials and sale of cloth materials. They do not provide opportunities for weavers to produce sarees to suit the changing preferences of consumers. Next question is, what is a raw material? Give one example. Materials required to produce a commodity are called raw materials. Example, bamboo is a raw material for paper, silk is a raw material for Dharmavaram sarees, etc. Comment on the problems of weavers. Handloom weavers are facing severe problems. They face stiff competition with powerloom and mill-made cloth. Mill-made cloth is cheaper. It is made from synthetic yarn, which is less in cost compared to cotton or silk. The weavers are not getting good price due to middlemen's involvement. The weavers have no technical support to know which designs are in demand. Cooperative societies are not supporting the weavers in providing loans, marketing, and storing facilities. Why are people migrating from rural areas? Basket making is a craft that involves the use of wild date palm leaves, cane, and bamboo, which are found in forest. There has been depletion of forests due to their expensive exploitation for big industries. This affects the livelihood of people who are traditionally dependent on forest. Further, the demand for such products are reduced considerably. This forces them to move out of rural areas and migrate to urban areas for survival. Okay, students, we will discuss the other questions in live class. Thank you.